Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Toyota RAV4 with a 2.5 motor, and on this car we're going to go over how you would install your alternator. You've gone through the process of removing your alternator to be replacing it due to that it's not charging the amount of amperage that you need to keep your battery charged and to run. So we're going to replace that. Go over the process of how you install it. So we just go ahead and move this stuff out of the way. We were able to pull the alternator out the top right here fairly easy, so we're going to drop the new one in and drop it into place there. Now, you know, when we took it out, or when we take out an old one, it's kind of tough to get out right through here because there's a little pin here, it slides through. Well, with the new one, it's not tight to the width of your thing, so it'll slide right in there. Nice. So, but when we tighten this bolt here, it will pull that in, and then it'll become tight. Yeah, so we got the top bolt is started. The hand, we'll get the bottom one all started and lined up, and then we'll tighten them. You want to get them both started before you tighten one, because it might not be aligned right for when you need to tighten it down. Right, so those two bolts are good and tight. Now let's go ahead and we can tighten this number 10 bracket bolt back up, and it was loosened, so you could just move this up to get the alternator out real easily. And that's just a number 10, so snug that up. Nothing crazy. Now work our electric components back. We have there is a push connect electric connection here, and then there's this one, which is a number 10 nut that goes on here. Tighten that up. We have the bolt for this bracket that we removed so that it was easy to get out. Okay, it's all good and tight. We're going to put our cap back on for the electrical connection down here. Just clip that back on there. Then we'll put this back on. Make sure the sensor's plugged back in. Do that. And we need to get the belt back on, and so we need to release the tension, and that was a size 14. Okay, so you get the belt all on, all the ribs lined up and where they need to go, and now you'll be able to release that tension on the tensioner there and tighten that up. And then the last thing is to put your radiator reservoir that we removed to give us ease of access, and just reinstall that with the two number 10 bolts that hold it into place. And so then that's how you would replace your alternator on your 2.5 motor in a 2018 Toyota RAV4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.